Hi guys and welcome to another video. I need to make a correction about a video that I did on statements on C. So I showed you guys how to compare strings or how to see if two strings are equal, but actually I did not did that correctly. I was comparing two addresses. So I need to correct that, and I'm gonna do this with this video. So let's say we have two strings. I'm going to create two strings as name one. I'm going to assign some values such as, let's say, Steve with a capital T. I'm going to have name two. I'm going to add Steve, but with a uncapitalized word. So there you go. We have two strings, and I want to compare them. So how to do this? I was doing actually name one equals name two, which would work in other languages such as C#, Python, but this doesn't work in C, and that's a lot of reasons why. So how do we compare two strings in C? So actually there's a function. We need to call a function called strcmp, which I think it stands for string comparison. And this function accepts two. I didn't try to with three or more, but just the two most of the time, two strings. So we're gonna pass name one and comma name two. So we need to create the comparison. This will return a number. Okay, so this function will return a number, and if it is 0, it means that they are equal. Okay, so let's printf %s equals % is equal to %s name one. Let's do again name one and name two. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna compare them. Okay. We didn't see a result. Let's add an else statement to complete this. Let's say they are not equal. Okay, there we go again. Let's do it again. And there you guys, you see that they are not equal. But if I change this Steve to a capitalized Steve, I should now see that they are equal. So you guys can see Steve is equal to Steve. So there you go, guys. I did a correction. I'm sorry if I make you lost some time, but it happens. So see you guys next time.